This is our second video on multiplying mixed numbers. In our first video, we used area models, and you can see that what you are doing is you are actually doing partial products and then adding up the whole product, which is, oh my, there must be an easier way. There is. First of all, you cannot multiply mixed numbers using an algorithm the way that they are. You have to convert each mixed number into an improper fraction. How do you do that? I have a supplementary note on converting mixed numbers to improper fractions, and the other way, converting improper fractions to mixed numbers. So you will have a supplementary note on that. Basically, all you do, let me get another board here, is you convert both of your mixed numbers before you multiply. We're going to use the same example that we used an area model for. That is 1 1/2 times 2 3/4. So first, we're going to convert our 1 1/2 into an improper fraction. So to do that, you use the circle method. And what that circle method is you multiply 2 times 1 and add back the remainder. So I've kind of made a circle there, if you could see that. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. That becomes my new numerator. My denominator stays the same. And you can see that 1 1/2 is in fact equivalent to 3/2. Makes sense. Let's do the next one. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. So my numerator is 11. My denominator stays the same. Oh, well, now that should look familiar to you. So before we go ahead and multiply numerator times numerator over denominator times denominator, we check for cross cancellation. 2 cannot go into 11. They don't have, 11 is odd, so they don't have a common factor. And 3 and 4, well, when you have numbers that are 1 digit apart, again, no common factor. So in this particular case, there is no cross cancellation. So we have to go ahead and just multiply across, which gives us our product of 3 times 11, which is 33, 2 times 4, which is 8. So now we have an improper fraction, and we have to convert that back to a mixed number. To do that, we divide. How many times does 8 go into 33? Well, 8 times 4 is 32, so it goes in 4 whole times, but 33 minus 32 means we have 1 remainder over 8. And that's our final answer. If you recall from our last video where we used the area model, you'll see, yes, indeed, we got the same answer. So what I like to do when I'm having to do area model questions, because frankly, this is so much easier, is it not? And faster? Yeah. I usually check my area model doing this method. It's just much easier. So you will have tons of notes on this. Again, I mentioned you'll have the supplementary note on converting between the two, but you will also have an additional note on multiplying mixed numbers. So this section has a lot of notes. You're not alone. I will guide you through the whole thing.